Everyone feels broken at some point in their life journey. We do not know what to do, and so we can end up living our lives through frustration, pain, regret, fear, and sadness. But my dear friend, that is not the way our lives are meant to be lived. When you feel broken, that is the time you have to find your drive for life. When you are feeling broken inside, remember that the time has come to embrace the change instead of fighting the inevitability of change. Because the one constant thing in this unpredictable world is change. Accepting and embracing the change allows you to heal and look at your pain as only one chapter of the book of life. Never hide away from the world. Even if you are feeling so broken inside, tell yourself that you cannot escape from this painful part of the journey. I am not saying that change is easy, but there is no other way. It is very hard to accept the change, but it is only the choice you have. Whatever may be the reason you are feeling broken, it might be due to losing a job, opportunity, great achievement, someone you love most, or any other reason. But the fact is, yesterday has gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. You have only today with you. There is no meaning in wasting your time. Now is the time to embrace the change happening in your life. When you welcome the change, you allow yourself to cooperate with the natural law that exists on the earth. Change is the part of life and existence. A change often brings new opportunities. You have to grab it with all your strengths and efforts. You cannot change the events that happen. They just occur outside of your control. You cannot do much to change those events, but you can change your response to that change that happened in your life and ensure that the outcomes you experience in your life are as positive as possible. Once you begin to see that, you can begin to anticipate the great that coming from the changes you are facing now. A good mindset and an understanding of the things that can be changed and the things that must be accepted. Yes, accept the truth that the very nature of life is change. With an approach of courtesy, optimism, faith, and confidence, you will find more and more ways to come out of the situation you are facing. Believe that you are so strong and your mind is very powerful. When you implement this in your life, you can create anything and everything you want. Not only that, you can adopt the same attitude to any situation. If you learn to handle this, you can handle your life itself. To learn this, sometimes you have to adopt silence, self-isolation, and social distance. But still you have to keep yourself not motivated by panic, fear, or anxiety. Start taking this step after another into unknown, and you will be surprised to see how quickly your path becomes clear. The purpose of your life will be the outcome of that clear path. At that time, you will be a person with a deeper understanding and self-experience. One day, with an enhanced perception on humankind, you will announce to the world that the real beauty of life can be seen only after accepting the change. Thank you very much for your valuable time.